just going to right click and I should be able to copy it. Maybe it's something to do with the fact that I don't know why I can't copy that. Let me see if I can drag it. I don't know why I can't copy it. All right. Well, there's another one, right? There's another one. Let's see. Oh, I can copy that one. I'll use this logo. Okay. That's another logo. Cool. All right. I'm going to go over to my little worksheet. I'm just going to hit a Control V. It didn't copy it. I don't know why it didn't copy it. This is going great. I'm clicking everything. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to throw it in there. So you're going to have Google open and Illustrator open. Okay. I've copied this logo, right? Control C. I'm going to go into Illustrator, File, New. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which one you're on. I just pick the first one, Control V. Okay. And it just puts it in there. That's all I need. Okay, I'm going to use my move tool. That's the letter V, selection tool, and I can move it around if I need to, right? We know all that. I need none of this today. I only need Control plus. Okay, that's a pixelated logo. Okay, and then I need my eyedropper tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the black. Okay, I'm going to double click, and it's telling me that this black is 050700. Hit Control C. And I'm going to work back to my workshop, my worksheet, hit Control, all right? And then I'm going to select that. I'm going to go to text color. I'm going to go to custom. Nope. Plus sign. And right down here, hex code, okay? Control V. I'm going to put the hashtag. Does it need it? Nope. Okay. And, oh, I highlighted it. Did I highlight that? I don't know why I did that. Sorry. What is going on today? It's this Screencastify. I think it's like, I don't know. Okay. Either way, I'll do it again. Oh, my God. It won't just highlight my text. There we go. Text color, plus sign, Control V. I should hit OK, and there we go. Let's just double check. I know it's painful watching me. It's painful when it's this slow. Yep. Okay. Looks like black, right? It looks like solid black, but it's definitely not. All right. I'm going to go back over. I'm going to do the white because it's part of the logo. Click over here. Double click. Double left click. And I have it. Or you can just remember it's all F's. This one, because it's white, I don't know why it's so big. I can always make it smaller. This one I'm going to highlight. That doesn't make any sense though. There it is. It is highlighted in white. I'm sorry. I'm going to do my typeface, and I'm going to do the highlight in black. That's what I'm doing, okay? Because white otherwise won't show up. My fault, okay? So we now know that FF is what color? Solid white, all right? But don't assume that every single logo is using solid white. You cannot as a graphic designer, all right? Last but not least, I'm going in with my color picker tool. I'm going to pick my orange, double left click to get my color picker tool up, okay? It's already selected. I don't have to select it again. I'm an old lady. Old habits die hard. Control C. I'm going back over here. Control V. Highlighting it, going here, clicking the plus sign, okay? And there we go. If we don't put the color here, number one, you don't learn that you can do specific colors in Google, which is sad, okay? But then also, what color? What color is F16031? What's the point of it if you don't see it? You get what I'm putting down? Okay, good. Then The next three are three colorful logos. All right. You don't have to have 5, but I would suggest you need to at least have 3 colors. Okay. These, if you don't have a 4th hex color, you don't have a 5th hex color, that's fine. I don't care which logos you use. All right. If you just want to put in popular logos or companies that you like, what's a logo you guys like with multiple colors? What's that? Taco Bell? Nice. Thanks, Ryan. I don't know. All right. Theirs is, they have a gradient. Well, they don't really have a gradient. They have multiple. So they technically have 4 colors in their logo. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right click, copy, click on the box. All right. Just scale it to fit. All right. It's okay. Put it in there first. Don't forget. And then go over to AI. You don't have to start a whole artboard over. You can even delete that one if you want. Control V. Control minus to zoom out. When you bring this stuff in, some of it's gonna be ginormous. If you don't hold down Shift, it will get wonky. Okay, hold down Shift. Keep the corners. That's another thing we're learning. All right. And then once again, I can go in. I can double click. I see that this one's AA81BA. This one is not. Okay, so if I'm working at Taco Bell, those are my hex codes. That's what I'm using for all of the social media, all of the print ads, anything to do with those colors. Those are Taco Bell colors. This will be interesting to see if this is actually white or is that negative space. No, it's white, and that's black. All right, same thing. You fill out the whole chart. When you're done, you submit it. Any questions on that? All right, I have this as a one-day activity. We'll see if it's just a one day. This will be the most interesting is the Woburn logo. If you realize that your orange is not the same as your neighbors because you happen to be looking at them, do not change it. Do not panic. A hex code's a hex code. All right, and we're going to talk about branding and branding consistencies tomorrow with that. Questions? All right.